Hello and welcome to another episode of Sip Easy. While SIPs are known for their simplicity and are considered a boon for investors like you, today let's look at a few investment mistakes that you should avoid in order to make the most of your SIPs. For starters, you must not set an unrealistic goal that cannot be reached. Always set a realistic goal after considering various factors. This way, you will be able to plan your finances well. Next, you must never choose a scheme basis recent high returns. While you should look at a long-term performance of the scheme, you must always select the ones that match your risk profile and your investment objective. Since SIPs work best in the long term, you must be patient and resist the temptation to stop your SIPs when the markets get volatile, as this may impact your funds negatively. Next, as your income and financial aspirations grow over a period of time, it's essential to increase your SIPs at regular intervals. This may help you accumulate a larger amount of gold in line with inflation and also your lifestyle changes. Senior long-term investment does not mean you don't even review them regularly. There are many reasons why you should monitor your SIPs periodically and take the necessary actions if needed. If the above mistakes are avoided, your SIPs could become a great mode of building long-term wealth. So remember, just like in life, keep a sharp focus on the goal. Keep correcting course as and when needed, and you can reach your destination. Go ahead and click on the link in the description to know more about SIP. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such content. An investor education and awareness initiative by HDFC Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.